Welcome to Our Daily Health. Kidney stones. 27 home remedies to cure kidney stones. Have you noticed a burning sensation or cloudy urine? Do you experience floating pain at the back of your belly? These might be signs and symptoms of kidney stones. Before they worsen and become more painful, act quickly and get treatment. Cases of kidney stones are increasing globally. In the coming years, approximately 13% of men and 7% of women will develop the condition. Do you want to cure kidney stones naturally? Kidney stones. 27 home remedies to cure kidney stones. Number 1. Stinging nettle. You wouldn't want to fall in a patch of this herb. However, stinging nettle has numerous healing effects on your body. This herb may help remove mineral deposits from your kidneys and even prevent them from becoming stones. Take 2 or 3 tablespoons of dried nettle leaves and steep them in hot water. Let them sit for a few minutes and then drink the mixture 2 or 3 times a day. Number 2. Lemon juice. Why don't you try this natural remedy? Lemons contain citrate, a component that breaks down calcium deposits and slows them down. According to a study in 2019, natural lemon juice, sugar-free, was effective in treating kidney stones. As a matter of fact, consumption of half a cup of lemon juice daily can increase citrates in your urine, which may prevent kidney stone buildup. Number 3. Baking soda. The main ingredient of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It can alkalize your body and make your urine less acidic. This will help in getting rid of kidney stones and also preventing a reoccurrence. Prepare this remedy by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and drink the solution twice a day. Number 4. Wheatgrass. This super potent food contains antioxidants and nutrients that cleanse your kidney and urinary tract. It also acts as a diuretic that increases your urine flow by flushing out the kidney stones and reducing the risk of developing the condition. To use this home remedy, blend a bunch of clean wheatgrass in a blender, strain the mixture, and consume 1 glass 3 times a day. Number 5. Sufficient water intake. This remedy is one of the most accessible natural remedies because you only need to drink more water every day. Water will help flush out stones and toxins from your body. Aim to drink 8 or more glasses of water daily. Take 2 when you wake up and another after breakfast, before and after taking lunch, and the rest after dinner. You may take water at any time of the day, but do not take it when going to bed. Number 6. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice has been used widely to improve kidney function. It may help flush out toxins from your systems. It has antioxidants that may help keep your kidneys healthy by preventing the development of kidney stones. Split the fruit open and remove the edible part of it, the seeds. Then, put them in a blender and blend until smooth. Consume the juice 3 times a day. Number 7. Watermelons. As you already know, watermelons have a high content of water. This makes them effective in flushing out waste from your body. Watermelon seeds may help cleanse your kidney and bladder. Combine 1 teaspoon of the seeds with 500 milliliters of boiling water. Steep for 15 minutes. You may also make some watermelon juice by blending and drink it several times a day. Alternatively, chop the fruit into small pieces and eat it whole. Number 8. Kidney beans. These excellent legumes contain vitamin B, which helps flush out and dissolve kidney stones. They are rich in fiber, which may help to fight various diseases, including kidney issues. To use this natural remedy, boil the beans in a pot until they are soft. Eat them daily for optimal health. You could also add them to your salads, tacos, and soups. Number 9. Celery. Celery is an excellent home remedy to cure kidney stones. Since it contains antispasmodic compounds, celery juice can help relieve pain associated with the condition. Celery juice is an excellent diuretic that may help flush out toxins through urine. Blend or use a juicer to extract juice from the herb and drink 2 glasses daily. You may also drink celery seeds herbal tea to prevent kidney stones. Number 10. Basil. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidants in basil may help improve the health of your kidneys. Basil also contains acetic acid, which may help break down kidney stones and eliminate them from your urinary tract. Make basil tea by steeping 6 leaves in boiling water, strain the water after 10 minutes, add some honey, and enjoy. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 11. Apple cider vinegar. How will ACV help? The acetic acid found in vinegar dissolves kidney stones. It also contains antioxidants that can protect against the oxidative injury of the kidneys. To use this natural remedy, add 2 teaspoons of organic honey and 1 teaspoon of ACV and take it 3 times or more during the day. Or mix 1 teaspoon of honey and ACV into a glass of water and drink. Number 12. Avoid foods high in oxalates. Foods high in oxalates tend to be very healthy. They include green leafy vegetables, cocoa, and fruits. Too much oxalate consumption can increase the excretion of oxalates in your urine, which can be dangerous for a person who forms calcium oxalate crystals. However, before you change your diet, consult your dietitian or doctor to determine whether you may benefit from this natural remedy. 13. Increase your calcium intake. You may think that you need to reduce your calcium intake to lower your risk of developing calcium-containing stones, but this is not the case. According to a particular study, a high calcium diet has been associated with a reduced risk of developing stones. Dairy products like cheese, yogurt, and milk are excellent sources of dietary calcium. 14. Cut back on salt. A diet containing high levels of salt is associated with kidney stones. It may cause the excretion of calcium through urine. Several dietary guidelines indicate that a person should limit sodium intake to 2,300 milligrams a day. One of the perfect ways to cut salt from your diet is avoiding processed and packaged food and adding or sprinkling raw salt to your food. Number 15. Consume less of animal protein. Consumption of proteins for dairies such as beef, chicken, fish, and pork may pose a higher risk of developing a kidney stone. High animal protein levels of calcium excretion and lower nitrate levels. Animal proteins are also high in purines that can cause the buildup of uric stones. Eat plant-based proteins such as legumes, such as beans, peas, seeds, and nuts. Number 16. Avoid too much vitamin C intake. Too much of an intake of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, supplements are linked to the risk of getting kidney stones. Some of the vitamin C may be changed into oxalates, leading to oxalates excretion in the urine. However, vitamin C from lemons and other natural sources are not associated with the risk of developing a kidney stone. 17. Green tea is another perfect home remedy to cure kidney stones. Green tea is perfect for your overall health, thanks to the tea's phenols and antioxidant compounds. Green tea boosts the excretion of oxalates through urine. Some research conducted by the Chinese showed that the extracts from green tea bond with calcium oxalate, making them form a different shape, thus unable to clump together to form large stones. Small stones harmlessly pass through the urine. Number 18. Lab-grade chanccapiedra. Lab-grade chanccapiedra is an herb used to make medicine. It may help cure various ailments, including kidney stones and urinary tract infections, by breaking down the stones and preventing new ones. Number 19. Dandelion root juice. Dandelion root promotes bile production. This aids in eliminating waste, improving digestion, and increasing urine output. Dandelions are rich in vitamins D, C, B, and A, and minerals such as zinc, iron, and potassium. One study indicated that dandelions could prevent the development of kidney stones. You can buy dandelion tea or prepare some fresh juice. To make it tasty, you may add ginger, orange pills, and apple. Drink 4 cups daily. Number 20. Horsetail juice. Horsetail juice helps increase urine flow, hence flushing out kidney stones and other toxins. It may also soothe swelling and inflammation, as it contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help with the overall urinary health. To make horsetail tea, boil 2 cups of water and add 2 or 3 teaspoons of dried horsetail tea. Immerse the tea for 10 minutes and strain it, add honey for flavor, and enjoy. Number 21. Uva ursi. Uva ursi, also known as bearberry, supports the kidney's ability to flush out wastes and toxins. It alleviates infections of the urinary tract and helps relieve bladder and kidney infections and kidney stones. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried uva ursi tea in 2 cups of hot water for 30 or 40 minutes. Strain the mixture and drink half a cup twice daily. Number 22. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has several health benefits such as weight loss, heart disease, and boosting immunity. It may also help prevent dissolves kidney stones naturally, and gallbladder issues. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in apple cider vinegar, shake to mix well, and add some water. Drink the solution twice daily. 23. Olive oil. Yes, you heard that right. Olive oil is essential for kidney stones. When using this remedy, add some lemon juice or vinegar. The lemon juice has citrate that helps break up the stones. Olive oil will flush out the kidney stone from your system. Mix a 1/4 cup of olive oil and lemon juice, mix well, and add warm water. Drink the mixture hourly to ease kidney pain. 24. Up your citric acid intake. Do you want to prevent kidney stone formation? If so, increase your citric acid intake by consuming more vegetables and fruits such as lemons, limes, grapefruits, and oranges. You may also add lemon to your drinking water and sip it throughout the day. Calcium oxalate fights kidney stones in 2 ways: prevention of stone formation and prevention of stone enlargement. Number 25. Take more magnesium. Have you taken sufficient amounts of magnesium lately? Well, magnesium is an essential mineral, but most people don't consume adequate amounts. The mineral may help prevent the formation of calcium oxalate kidney stones. Consume more tofu, avocados, and legumes to increase your levels of magnesium. Number 26. Pineapples. Are you wondering how pineapples will help with kidney stones? Pineapples are loaded with vitamins A, B6, and C. It also contains minerals such as calcium, manganese, potassium, and fluoride. Pineapples may help dissolve kidney stones, reduce kidney stone size, and enable them to pass through urine. Blend pineapples to make juice and drink a few glasses daily. You can also eat at least 2 servings of the fruit 3 times a day. Number 27. Juniper tea. Juniper tea has diuretic properties that are excellent for cleansing your urinary tract and removing toxins from your system. Regular juniper consumption may reduce uric acid in the urinary tract and minimize kidney stone formation risk. Take half a teaspoon of dried juniper berries, 2 cups of boiling water, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Pour the juniper berries into the boiling water, simmer for 10 minutes, add honey to taste, and then strain the mixture and drink up. Bottom line, kidney stone pain can be excruciating. However, seeking treatment quickly if you notice symptoms like cloudy urine or pain behind your belly could help manage and treat the condition. These home remedies to cure kidney stones are cost-effective and straightforward. Feel free to try these natural methods at home. For instance, incorporating a healthy diet of vegetables and fruits, lemons, pomegranates, into your daily routine instead of indulging in fast foods will go a long way. Cutting back on salt, sugar, or sugary drinks and alcoholic beverages will help curb the disease. Which home remedies for kidney stones do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.